Receiving a printer can be an exciting time. You've made the investment, prepped your space, and now you're ready to get started. It's important that we prepare you in the rare event that something does go wrong during the delivery process or when you've unboxed the printer and realize there's a severe issue with your new hardware. In the rare event your printer needs to be replaced or refused, the following steps will help reduce the time it takes for IT supplies to file a claim with the carrier and go through the process of replacing a printer with the manufacturer. To remember this process, we like to use the acronym ITS: inspect, take notes, and then sign. Let's start first with inspect. The first step is simply just taking a stroll around the box of your printer. As you walk around, scan from top to bottom, looking for any blemishes or damages to the packaging, straps, or pallet it was shipped on. The next step is take notes. Notes in this acronym include both photos and written notes. Whether the printer is damaged or not, a photo must be taken once it arrives. You can utilize your smartphone or camera for this, and it's the customer's responsibility to inspect the package and write down any blemishes or damages on the carrier's bill of lading or sign-off sheet. Verbal damages spoken to the driver may not actually make it on the bill of lading, so you, the customer, must physically write down the blemishes or damages. This saves us a lot of time if you decide the package is in good enough shape to keep and sign for, but later, after you open it, find out there is internal damage and your printer won't function. All right, we've made it to our last step, sign. So you've inspected the shipment, you've taken photos, and if need be, wrote down your concerns with the shipment on the driver's bill of lading or sign-off sheet. Now, it's time to sign. We realize this process can sometimes be easy and other times it can be very difficult. So, if you're unsure, contact an IT Supply sales rep or connect with a sales representative from our customer service team by dialing our 1-800 number. As I mentioned before, a very high percentage of our hardware shipments arrive in great condition. We just like to make sure you're prepared in case something does go wrong. From all of us at IT Supplies, we thank you for choosing us for your hardware purchase. Have a great day.